So I just got the iPhone 14 series in, and I'm pretty pumped to unbox it. Now, the color options for this phone are midnight purple, starlight blue, and red. I decided to go with red this time around because it's been a while since I had a red iPhone, and I've also got it in the 128 gigabyte option. I feel like 128 gigs is enough for most people, so don't feel the need to go any higher than that. It's really not that necessary. I just want to throw that out there. Okay, anyways, here is the moment. Let me get the pull tabs off the back. And yeah, kind of struggling a bit to get this out the box, so just bear with me. Kind of a tight fit. Okay, there we go. And dang, the red looks very nice. It's almost like a candy red, if that's even a color or a thing. Of course, you've got some other stuff in here. What I do love about Apple is they give you the Apple logo sticker in here somewhere. And for whatever reason, I just love this sticker. I always look forward to getting one. Okay, all right, let me get it out the box here and grab my iPhone 13 mini because I want to see if there are any differences. And let's line it up. And well, guys, really not a whole lot design difference here between the 13 and 14 series, as you can see looking at the back of these phones. The front on the 14 also, has the notch, so you got to deal with that. But, the 14 series does come with the newest processor, making it a faster phone. It's also got a slightly bigger battery for better battery life, and the camera does have a couple of new built-in features as well for phone photography. So it's not all the same as kind of what I'm getting at. Okay, next, I'm going to start this phone up, and to save some time, I'm going to skip through the startup screen for you guys. And one of the first things I always like to do is check out some of the stock wallpapers and, of course, widget options, since this phone comes stock with iOS 16. Now, if you're using an older iPhone right now, definitely recommend getting that iOS 16. It is, pretty nifty, and it's not too much different going up from iOS 15. Okay, and basically, I really like the multicolor wallpaper, so I'm going to set it as this one for right now. And I do want to say my initial thoughts on the 14 so far is that, red was a great color option. But as far as differences from the 13 series, really not a whole lot impressed. But I did want to run some videos so we could hear the sound quality on this phone, as well as throw up a little gaming because, I'm a big mobile gamer. Of course, if you guys would like to check out some great resources, if you plan on getting a 14 series, we'll have some links in the description. For now, let's run it.
Godless barbarians. They murder and kill blindly. Scar the lands of England, lands they will never defend, never love. The time has come to speak to them in a language they will understand. Oh, somebody tell